darkest episode I've ever faced in my 5 years of playing is when I tore my ACL and MCL 2 years ago.
Minsan linalaro siya, minsan hindi.
That's true.
Oh no.
No, midway through my third playing year, not getting to play for 9 months, sobrang disappointed ako sa performance ko noon. Actually, for a few days, hindi ako nabukas ng phone ko kasi nga ayoko talagang kumausap ng tao nung time na yun. Sa 2 weeks na yun, yun talaga yung pinaka-depressing time. Medyo nagalit ako noon na parang kasalanan to ni ganito, ni ganyan. Kasi bakit niya ginawa yun? Kaya ako na-injure. Parang ganun yung naisip ko. I overcame that with the help of my PTs and yung teammates ko and yung family ko.
Bersola gets a point earlier. Nakita natin
Hindi pwedeng tanggapin ko na lang basta-basta. So, ginapang ko na lang yung season and I tried my best to lead the team and to contribute sa other aspects. May mga friends ako na nag-experience din yung same injury. So lahat sila, text ako, nakukwento na rin yung mga nangyayari sa kanila. So parang ako, ganun pala. Parang hindi pala siya imposible na maka-return ka after an injury like that.
From the back row, quick attack for Bersola. Back into the groove and play the way you do in practice.
Never nang pumasok sa isip ko na hindi ako makakabalik and na mag-give up ako. Kasi never talaga akong naging quitter at all sa life. If you face struggles or obstacles, hindi yun end of the world. Never lose sight of what's important sa buhay mo. Like, yung team mo, yung family mo, si God, and everyone else who supports you sa journey mo towards your dreams.
Subscribe now to ABS-CBN Sports in Action YouTube channel.